What do this iPhone 7, this iPhone 11, and this iPhone 11 Pro Max have in common? Go on, take a guess. No, it's not the fact they're iPhones. Well, yes, but also no. These three phones are demo phones. You know, you go to like a Best Buy or the Apple store, they'll have like the table with them on it, and they'll be running like slideshows through all the different things you can do. That's what these were. And I say were because there is a really easy and simple way to turn these demo iPhones into just iPhones that you can do whatever you want with. And it's not just iPhones, it's iPads and iPod touches as well. So how does one go about buying a demo iPhone and making it usable and perhaps saving a bit of money in the process? That's what I'm here to tell you guys today. Now I must preface this with a massive disclaimer. Don't go around doing this in stores. Don't do this to devices that you do not own, right? Don't go to your Best Buy and reset the devices. Don't do that. My channel, and anyone or anything associated with my channel cannot and will not be held liable for any stupid shit you do. Right. Now that my ass is covered, let's learn. The phone I'm going to use to demonstrate how to do this is this iPhone 11 right here. And it's surprisingly simple. Now here you can see that this is the demo version of iOS. You know, you can't software update, you can't uninstall or install new apps. It's got all the demo pictures and everything on it. But there's one thing that would immediately deter most people from doing this. There's no option to reset the phone. So how are you gonna reset the phone if there's no option? Magic. The way to do this is you go to settings, sign into your iCloud. Now, if there's already an iCloud on this, you might be out of luck. You might be out of luck unless you know the person whose iCloud this is and you can get in contact with them. You wanna go to sign in with your Apple ID and you wanna make sure that your Find My iPhone feature is on. Then, on a similar iOS device or even iCloud.com, you want to go to Find My iPhone or Find My. You want to find that iPhone in your list of devices. You want to select it, scroll down to the bottom, and tap on Erase this device. Now it's going to go through all these things like, are you sure you want to erase it? Is there a number that you want to assign to this? If someone, you know, this device is lost and someone finds it, you want to give them a special message to, you know, figure out how to like contact you. Don't worry about that because you are losing and finding your own device at this point. Go through, make sure it resets, take a couple minutes to wipe the phone, uninstall the demo version of iOS and reinstall the vanilla version of iOS. Once that's done, you can go through the setup like any other iOS device. Once you get to the home screen, you can see here that I am able to uninstall apps. And if I go into system setting, I can update the version of iOS, as I'm already in the middle of doing in this clip. And if I go to the bottom of About, you can see the reset option is now there. So how do you tell if your device is non-demo or demo? Well, aside from the fact that it's probably running demo software, can't reset it, can't update it, can't uninstall apps, there's actually a really quick and easy way to find out. If you go to Settings, About, and About this device, the model number for the device will start with a number. Now, in my case, it's 3 and it's followed by an F. It starts with a number instead of any series of letters. You have a demo device. And the reason I'm making this video is because this is stupid easy, especially for Apple. If you buy, I bought an Apple Watch Series 6 on eBay. It's an activation lock. Tried to call Apple, they won't help me. You buy an activation lock device, they will go to the ends of the planet to keep you from getting into that device. But this, I'm sure if I explained it well and loud enough, I could get some of the grannies and grandpies that I get in at Walmart to do this on their own. Like this is stupid how easy this is. Now again, I'm gonna say this again, don't do this on devices you don't own. Unless you paid for this and have the receipt to prove it, don't touch it. I'm not gonna be held responsible for anything you do. And another reason that I'm making this video is demo devices can kind of be found pretty cheap on eBay. You know, I bought this lot of 3 phones. 3 phones. I got all 3 of these phones for $70 shipped because they had demo mode on them and they were sold as parts and not working. And when you buy them and you reset them, they're the same as regular old iPhones. Like, there's nothing special about them. They're same processor, same battery, same RAM, same screen, same everything. They just have a neutered version of iOS. And the thing is, these usually don't make it out into the wild. Like, they either get sent back to Apple or get sent to recycling. Like, that's how I got these. This guy dumpster dived them at a recycling facility and pulled them out. Now, that being said, if anyone from Apple's watching this and you want your phones back, get in contact with me and I'd be glad to sell them back to you. But again, final time, don't do this to any device you don't own. Don't do it. Don't do it. But if you buy devices that are demos, now you know how to fix them. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment. Would you buy a demo phone? Especially now that you know how to fix them and make them into full-fledged working phones. Let me know, and I will see you guys in the next video.